To prepare the ackee for cooking, we're going to go ahead and remove the ackee shell or seed pod. To remove the ackee seeds, there are two ways you can do this. You can use a knife and cut around the sides of the seeds and remove the pink membrane, or you can use your hand and twist the seed around and remove the pink membrane. After cleaning the ackees, place in a pot of water over high heat, cover and bring to boil. Lower to simmer for 4 minutes or until soft and tender. Drain well and allow to cool, then freeze for later use in a freezer safe bag, or you can go ahead and use it as you like.